In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how the Ledger Nano S can be used with the IOTA Trinity Desktop wallet. The Ledger Nano S is a hardware wallet that is used for the storage of private keys and seeds of popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, IOTA, etc. The seeds and private keys are generated by this wallet, and the transactions are signed inside this wallet. This means the seeds and private keys never leave this wallet. The company Ledger is founded in 2014, and they provide security and infrastructure solutions for cryptocurrencies and blockchain applications. They are headquartered in Paris, Vierzon, and San Francisco. More information about the Ledger Nano S can be found at this location. If you buy a Ledger Nano S, always buy it from a reputable seller. The box containing the Ledger Nano S comes without a plastic wrap and no tamper-proof seal. Make sure the hardware wallet is not tampered with. Check for obvious scratches or marks. If so, contact your seller. Make sure the recovery sheet is blank and is not pre-filled with 24 words. If so, contact your seller. Never ever use these 24 words. Make sure the recovery sheet is blank. This is the Ledger Nano S. This is the micro USB cable. This cable is 1 meter long. This is the recovery sheet. On the back side you can write 24 words. This recovery sheet must be stored in a safe place. This is the ledger. 2 buttons. You can press the left button, you can press the right button. If you press both buttons at the same time, it will confirm the selection. Here is a micro USB port. And this is the display. I want to configure it as a new device. Enter my PIN code. Now write down the recovery phrase. These are my 24 recovery words which were displayed on my device. Store this document in a safe place. These 24 words were randomly chosen from a list of 2048 words. From this list starts with the word abandon, and ends with the word zoo. As you can see, there are 2048 words. It is very important to write down these 24 words correctly. Some of these 2048 words only differ one character. For example, box and boy. So you can easily make a mistake. Now confirm my recovery phrase. Now my device is ready for use. Go to www.ledger.com, select Live, select Download Now, install the software, and start up the Ledger Live app. I have already done this. I select this option. I have a Ledger Nano S. I have created my own PIN code. I have saved my recovery phrase. Now let's check if my Ledger device is genuine. Press this button. On my Ledger it says Allow Ledger Manager. I confirm. As you can see, my device is genuine. Press the Continue button. In this field, I enter a password to prevent unauthorized access to Ledger Live data stored on this computer. My secret. Confirm my password. My secret. Press the Continue button. And again, I press the Continue button. My device is ready. And open Ledger Live. I understand this message. Press this button. Select Manager. As you can see, firmware version 1.4.2 is installed on my Ledger. You must have this firmware version or a newer version. If not, please upgrade your firmware version. As you can see on this device, there are no crypto apps installed. Let's install the Bitcoin, Ethereum and IOTA app on this device. Install the Bitcoin app. Press the Install button. As you can see, the Bitcoin app is installed on the device. Install the Ethereum app. Press the Install button. As you can see, the Ethereum app is installed on the device. Let's install the IOTA app. Press the Install button. As you can see, the IOTA app is installed on the device. Let's deinstall the Ethereum app. Press this button. As you can see, the Ethereum app has been uninstalled from the device. Go to this website. Now let's install the IOTA Trinity Desktop wallet. Please note, this video is made in November 2018. The Trinity wallet is still in beta. Press this link and download the Trinity application. Install the application. Start the Trinity app. I want to use the ledger with the Trinity wallet. Connect the device to the computer and unlock it. As you can see, the ledger is connected and ready. This is my first account with index 0. Select IOTA and confirm. Enter account name, for example, account 0. Press the continue button. Enter a password. Retype my password. And open the wallet. Now let's transfer 1 IOTA to this account. Select Receive. Select IOTA. As you can see, the address displayed on my computer is the same on my device. Copy this address. And I can use this address to transfer 1 IOTA to. As you can see, I have received 1 IOTA to this account. Now let's transfer 1 IOTA to another address. Select Send. Enter the recipient address, 1 IOTA, and press the Send button. Press Send. The output is 1 IOTAs, that's correct. And the address is also correct. That's also correct. From this address, that is also correct. Approve. As you can see, the transaction is signed. And the transaction is done. The proof of work is done on my computer. And the transfer is sent to the Tangle. As you can see, 1 IOTA is transferred. Please be aware of the following. If you use the ledger, you cannot view the seed. Select account 0, select Settings, View Seed. As you can see, seed export is not available for ledger account type. But of course, you can see the addresses. In this tutorial, these were my recovery words. I have created an account 0, and these two addresses belongs to account 0. I have created another account, account 1, not demonstrated in this video, and address 0 belongs to this account. This information will be used in a future video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. If you have questions, leave your comments below. I'll do my best to answer them.